Nishant Kumar Azad and I am with engineer Azaz Ahmed. Azaz is the candidate from Lal Chowk and he is one of the BJP leaders who won the DDC polls on BJP seat. Azaz, from DDC to now Assembly seat, how do you see your candidacy?
I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister who came yesterday in my constituency and supported us and gave encouragement to our Karyakarta. This is definitely a matter of pride for Karyakarta like me, a worker coming from grassroots level and getting a ticket for assembly in the world's largest party. So obviously I am very happy for that and I want to say that I don't want to no, I have the confidence in people that people will definitely vote for us and will form government over in Jammu and Kashmir and will win first seat for BJP or in India.
So Lal Chowk has its own political and other importance, right? So what are the issues you are raising in the election and what?
Sir, I don't want to create any kind of fake sentiment among people. I just want to have development over in this constituency and Lal Chowk is the historic place which is globally known place, right? So my priority will be to make sure that tourism is boosted over here and it's not limited to only Lal Chowk. The other peripheries, either urban or rural, they are also getting to reach that.
Almost all the parties in J&K are talking about the restoration of 370. What is your take on this?
Sir, I'm a BJP person. Our stand is very clear. We don't want any kind of 370. What has happened with the 370? We don't want it. We want development. We don't want any kind of fake sentiment.
So your main agenda is development, right?
My agenda is only peace, prosperity, and development of people of Kashmir and a good representation among Muslims in BJP.
Okay. And another question is that Pakistan Defence Minister has recently said that NC Congress and Pakistan are on the same page when it comes to 370.
There is no doubt about it. Now the political parties are trying to become the separatists. This is very unfortunate. We are a constitutional country, democratic country. We should follow our constitution, and it is the only constitution which gives us so many rights to speak. So they should take care of that also. And our nation, our nationality and integrity of nation should be priority of everyone.
So another important thing that we are witnessing that Jamaat indirectly is having many candidates on different seats. So after 1987, Jamaat is indirectly participating in this democracy process. How do you see the change of heart of Jamaat?
This is very good sign. At least they are regretting their past deeds. Right? So if they are coming in mainstream, we are very happy with it. Everybody should come. But the deeds they have done in the past, they should be taken task of.
Another thing is that in the last few years, especially after the abrogation of 370, Kashmir has witnessed development on a large level. So how do you see this development and will the voters of Kashmir vote on the issue of development?
I am very sure that people will shun these sentiments and vote for development.
Last question. Dynasty politics has been a core issue and the corruption has been the core issue of in J&K, especially when it comes to NC and Congress. So is it still relevant that with NC Congress coming together?
Sir, all corrupt parties, they just want power. If you see past 10 years before, they were fighting against each other. Now they are coming on one page because they have thought that they are not getting any seats over in Kashmir. People have rejected them. In these Lok Sabha elections, you have seen Umar Abdullah got rejected, our Mehbooba Mufti got rejected. So the results are very clear. Yesterday, 60% of polling have blood. That is the faith towards democracy. And democracy has flourished only when BJP came in power.
One last thing, that what are the
Sir, I just want to tell them, please shut this sentiment out, development of priority, and second, all these political parties, they have always given you just the negative things who are in Kashmir, will give you some positive things, and second, there is need of representation among Muslims in BJP, and we are trying to fill the gap.
So you saw that the core issue for the BJP in the J&K election is development, and each and every candidate of BJP is fighting election on this issue only. Let's see what will happen. Will Lal Chowk give mandate to Azaz Hussain or not? Let's see, and organizer wish him the best for the upcoming election. Thank you. Thanks a lot.